Financial success tips for entrepreneurs. Are you ready to take control of your finances and achieve financial success? Whether you're managing a startup or looking to improve your personal money habits, this video is packed with actionable strategies to help you grow, profit, and thrive. Let's get started. Why cash flow matters. Cash flow is the lifeblood of your business. As Robert Kiyosaki teaches in Rich Dad Poor Dad, businesses fail or succeed based on how they manage their cash flow. Focus on what brings in revenue, avoid unnecessary expenses, and track every dollar carefully. The 10 money rules for financial success. 1. Budget wisely, track income and expenses regularly. 2. Save before you spend, adopt a pay-yourself-first mindset. 3. Build an emergency fund, save for the unexpected. 4. Invest early, even small amounts grow over time. 5. Avoid bad debt, use debt only for essentials or growth. 6. Plan for retirement, contribute consistently to your future. 7. Diversify income streams, explore side hustles or passive income. 8. Insure wisely, protect your assets and income. 9. Set clear financial goals, guide your decisions with specific targets. 10. Educate yourself, knowledge is power in personal finance. Strategic use of debt. Debt isn't always bad. Good debt, like business loans or investments in revenue-generating assets, can fuel growth. But avoid bad debt. Borrowing for luxuries won't help you succeed. With today's low interest rates, it's a great time to borrow smartly. Crowdfunding for startups. Can't get a bank loan? Crowdfunding is a fantastic alternative. Platforms like Kickstarter not only help you raise capital but also validate your idea and build buzz. Pro tip: pre-sell your product during the campaign to ensure real value for your backers. Pricing strategies for profitability. Your pricing strategy is key to profitability. Focus on the value your product delivers, not just production costs. Use A/B testing to find the perfect price point. Sometimes, selling fewer units at a higher price can bring greater profits with less effort. Let's answer some of your burning questions. How do I know if I'm spending wisely? Prioritize expenses that directly contribute to income. Is debt bad for startups? Not at all. Use debt strategically to fuel growth, not for personal luxuries. How can I raise funds without a bank loan? Crowdfunding is an excellent option. How do I set the right price? Test different pricing strategies and focus on the value you provide. Financial success isn't just about making money, it's about managing it wisely. Follow these rules, stay disciplined, and you'll build a foundation for sustainable growth. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Together, let's build a financially successful future.
For details, visit the website mentions below in description.